Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to see your fan club on Poppo Live. It's very easy to find, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you have to take is of course open your Poppo Live app and log into your account. After that, you have to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, at the top area you find your profile icon or avatar icon and also your username right there. So what you have to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon, and then you just have to scroll down just a little bit from here and you are going to find your fan club. So this is actually my fan club. So if you look carefully, you are going to see the number of members who have joined your fan clubs. So this is it right here. So the number of members who have joined my fan club is actually 0. All right, so that's it on how you can find your fan club on Poppo Live. So you have to encourage people to join your fan club during your live stream, and then your fan club members will start increasing. So guys, that's it on how to find your fan club on Poppo Live. Hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.